Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Instagram Reels option not showing. For example, if you have an Instagram app and there is option Reels not showing in your Instagram app, then how you can fix that. For example, if I click on here, then all the Reels are shown here. But if you do not get this option in your Instagram app, then how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to simply press and hold the app if you are using Android device, and if you are using iPhone or iOS device, you have to simply go to iPhone storage and you have to go to simply Instagram app and you have to simply offload the app. And here you have to simply force stop the app and you have to simply clear the storage and cache it. And after that, the next step you have to do is you have to simply search for Instagram on your Play Store, and here you have to simply search for Instagram. And after that, what you have to check is whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then what you have to do, you have to simply update your Instagram app, and after that you have to simply check whether now it is showing the Reels option or not. If the problem is still there, which means you do not see any kind of Reels option, then how you can fix that? For this, you have to simply click on profile. After that, you have to click on three lines, and here you have to simply click on settings and privacy, and you have to simply scroll it down until the end. And here you have to click on help, and after that you have to simply click on report a problem, and here you have to simply click on report problem without shaking, and you have to simply click on include and continue, which means Instagram app will automatically report the problem if you are having any kind of, and it will include in the report. And here you have to simply explain the problem you are having, which is as hello Instagram team, in my Instagram app Reels option is not showing. Tell me how I get Reels option in my Instagram app. Kindly help me in this regard as soon as possible. Moreover, you can also attach the screenshot of the problem, and after that you can simply send it to Instagram team and hope they will help you as soon as possible. Hope you have liked this video. If you can get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.